Meta launches new business tools. LinkedIn expands video ads to more advertisers. And YouTube expands community posts to all users. On this week's Marketing Minute. Meta has introduced a suite of new tools alongside Meta Verified for WhatsApp Business, aiming to improve business interactions on the platform. These tools promise to provide businesses with enhanced capabilities for customer engagement and verification, ensuring a more seamless and trustworthy user experience. LinkedIn announced they're rolling out video ads to a broader range of advertisers. This will allow businesses to create more engaging and targeted video content, helping them reach desired audiences more effectively and efficiently. YouTube has made a significant move by expanding community posts to all users, making it easier for creators to engage with their audience. Additionally, it announced new tools in YouTube Studio to assist creators in content creation and optimization, streamlining the process and enhancing creativity. I hope this has given you some insights into what's trending in marketing this week. If you learned something, drop a like. If you found it valuable, share it with your network. For the Colling Media Marketing Minute, I'm Doug Campbell.